Hi guys, today we are going to see how to create a question paper in Google Forms using your mobile phones without the help of a desktop or a laptop. For this, what we need to do is we need to go to Chrome app. We have to click on the Chrome app. When you click on the Chrome app, you'll be able to see three dots in the right hand side corner. Click that three dots in the right hand side corner. Here my desktop site is enabled. For you it won't be enabled. So for you, if it is not enabled, what you must do is you must click this desktop site. Okay, when you click the desktop site, for you there will be a blue tick shown which shows that you are in the desktop site. Then you go to the search. In the search you type forms.google.com and then you search that. When you search that, you'll be getting a blank quiz with this purple color tick. Okay, when you get a blank quiz with this purple color tick, you must click that. After clicking that, what you get? See, you got a blank quiz. So in this, you can zoom it and see form description. In the form description, you can write that it is for which class. For example, I am going to set a question paper for physics, PHYSICS, physics 8th standard. Okay, so after this, what you must do is you must go to the untitled question. You can type your question in that. Okay, what question I'm going to type now? I can type, or otherwise I can speak with this recorder and I can get the question. Now I have typed the question. I can go for option 1. Option 1, the first option which I am going to give is scalar. Next, go to add option. The second option which I am going to give is vector. See here, option 2. Okay, the second option which I am going to give is vector. And again the third option, I'll add option, and the third option which I am going to give here is the fundamental. Okay, now as I have given the options, now what I'll do is I will click on this required button. If I click on this required button, you'll be able to see, children, here you see guys, you can just click this required button. It comes as mandatory that the child has to answer these questions. Then what I'll do is I'll go to this answer key, and when I go to answer key, the point which has to be awarded for this answer key is given as 0, but I'll cancel that and I'll give whatever I wish. I wish to give 1 mark, 1 point for this question. After assigning the points, I can click the done. After clicking this done, okay, here I can click the correct answer. Here the correct answer is scalar. So I'll click scalar. So I got the answer. I can also add answer feedback. If I click this, the answer feedback can be good. If the answer is correct, I would like to give the child good. If excellent, you can write excellent. If very good, you can write very good. All that. So after doing that, I will close this. Okay, I'll close this feedback and then come back to my quiz again. Now you will be able to see in this right side of the question there is a plus symbol. When you click that plus symbol, you will get another untitled question. Okay, so I can go to the second question. I can type the question there. So the second question which I am going to type is velocity is a dash quantity. Velocity is a dash quantity. Okay, velocity is a dash quantity. I can again come back for the options. First option, what I'm going to give is scalar. Same options I'm going to give. Second, next is add options. In that add option, I'll be giving the second option, vector, and the third option which I'm going to give here is fundamental. Okay, now three options again I have given. So here again what I must do, I must click this required button and then I should go for answer key. In that I must give the points. After giving the points, what I should do, I should click the correct answer. Here velocity is a vector quantity, so I'll click vector. So I got the answer and then done. Okay, like this. If I want to give n number of questions, I can just go on clicking this plus symbol in the right side, and that many questions will be going on added. And after adding the questions, what I should do, after giving n number of questions which I desire, I will go to settings. Here you see there is a settings button. If I go to settings, I get three options. One is general. In general, I'll limit to one response. Then edit after submit and all I will not give, because I don't want the student to do. Presentation, you need not to do anything. Then go to quizzes. In quizzes, you make this a quiz. You just click this, make this a quiz, and then immediately after each submission, release grade. That need not to be done. Okay, so I'll remove this. Okay, release grade immediately after each submission, that I will undo it. Okay, and then later after manual review, that I'll give. Okay, that is what I'll do is I will, if immediately after each submission, that is when as soon as the student submits, if I want it to be submitted, I will click this. And if here children, if you click that send button, you will be getting a link here how to send it. If you want to send it in the form of link, then you click that link. Okay, and in that link, when you click, you will get a link over here. In that, what I'll do is I'll click copy. I have copied this link. Now after copying this link, what I'll do is, where I want to share, if I want it to be shared in WhatsApp, I'll go to WhatsApp. I am going to WhatsApp. For example, I want to share it here. I will give a long press here. There will be a option called as paste, and when I click that paste, you will be able to paste that link. So I'll send it to that WhatsApp. Okay, now you see how to open. The child who is receiving your Google Docs form, in that if she is or he is clicking that form, he or she will be able to open it. Okay, and he'll or she will be able to attend the questions. Now when I click there, it is taking some time for it to get opened. Let us wait for some times, or otherwise let me just go back again and let me click it. Yes. Now the child, he got your blank quiz. In this, speed is a dash quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity. Velocity is a dash quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Now he has clicked it. When you submit,